What's going on, guys? I'm Mike, I'm a photographer and videographer, and today I'm going to talk about this guy, the Peli Case 1510. So if you don't know what a Peli Case is, it's basically a military grade, super tough, super hard case to carry whatever you want in it, really. Loads of people use them for different things, to carry different things, and they come in different sizes as well. This is the 1510, and we use this basically for transporting and carrying our camera gear or our lighting, for when we don't want to use just camera bags. You know, sometimes I might be shooting on location where I want something a bit more tough than a camera bag, and this thing is awesome, and I thought I'd just make this quick little video to show you this setup. It's a setup that I've recently put together and I absolutely love it. These things are so tough, like I said before. You can pretty much chuck it down a mountain, and what else? You can drive over them, you can chuck them in the sea because they're watertight, they're airtight, and like I say, because the military use them for various things, to carry various stuff, they're built to last. They're so solid, and I absolutely love it. So if I open up the case so you can see what the setup is inside, the first thing that you see is these two really heavy duty latches. Like everything on this case, it's just so solid. So yeah, you just unclip those and then lift the lid up, and that's the inside. You can get loads of different inserts for these cases. You can get a sort of divider option, which is pretty much what you'd find in your camera rucksack, but I'm a massive fan of this option because it's basically a massive bit of foam, or that's how you'd get it when you got the case, and then all you do is, because the foam is made of lots of different lots of little squares of foam, you just pluck them out to make the shape of whatever you're putting in it. So you can see that I've got a lens here, I've got two camera bodies there. One isn't in the case because it's the D750, which I'm filming on at the moment, as well as the 24-70mm lens. But as you can see, I've sort of made the shape of whatever I'm putting in there as best as I can, and that just means that that item isn't going to be moving around a lot. It's pretty solid, and it just works really well. I know when I've had gear in the camera rucksack, they're great, but because each sort of divider, each slot is just square, there is a bit of movement. So this is just awesome for when I need something a bit more solid. If I'm out on location, like I said before, it's just a really good system to use, and I'm really happy with it. I haven't been using it for that long, probably about a month, but so far I'm really happy, and I absolutely love it. So the other thing to talk about this case is the size of it. So they've made it so it's the perfect size for hand luggage. It's just under the limit, so you can take it on a plane, which is really good. So, you know, if I'm shooting abroad or if I want to take it to a different country, I can take it on hand luggage. I don't have to worry about it, checking it in and it getting lost, which is the last thing that I want for my camera gear. If I've got to shoot in a different country, I don't want to lose my camera. So, and then on the other side is this really cool handle. So all you do is you pull that latch down, and then you pull that up, and then on the bottom there's some little wheels. So if the case is quite heavy, you can just pull it along like you would a small suitcase, which is a really nice option. Actually, it's a really nice feature, and I've used it quite a bit, so that's really cool. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I thought it would be cool just to make a quick little one for a Monday morning, just to show you this system, this new camera case that I'm absolutely loving. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, comment below if you have any questions about what I've just talked about, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.